Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be distilling some dichloromethane from Varnish Remover. As a quick side note, it has been several years since I filmed this project, and unfortunately dichloromethane can no longer be found in varnish removers in many countries due to its toxicity. It can still be found in plastic welding products, however, and could be distilled and purified in a similar way from those products. To begin, 1 liter of varnish remover containing dichloromethane was purchased from the hardware store, and it was added to an Erlenmeyer flask. A simple distillation apparatus was set up with ice-cold water in the condenser, and then the flask was gently warmed. Dichloromethane has a low boiling point of 39.6 degrees Celsius, so very quickly it started distilling over. The heating was continued until the temperature began to rise, at which point the distillation was stopped. After the distillation, 800 milliliters of impure dichloromethane was obtained. Unfortunately, the varnish remover contains methanol too, which distills over with the dichloromethane because it forms an azeotrope at 7% methanol to 93% DCM. An azeotrope is a constant boiling mixture of 2 or more different compounds, so distillation cannot be used to further separate them. To remove the methanol, the crude DCM can be rinsed twice with 450 milliliters of water. The methanol is miscible with the water, but the dichloromethane isn't, so 2 separate layers form and the methanol migrates into the aqueous layer. A separatory funnel was then used to remove the upper aqueous layer from both washings, and then the DCM was rinsed once more with 450 milliliters of saturated sodium chloride solution to break the emulsion that formed. Lastly, residual water was removed by adding a bit of anhydrous calcium chloride, and then decanting off the pure dichloromethane. Calcium chloride can be purchased as a pool chemical and dehydrated in an oven to produce anhydrous calcium chloride. In total, around 700 milliliters of nice pure dichloromethane was obtained, indicating that the varnish remover was around 70% DCM. Dichloromethane is a very useful solvent for chemistry, so having some on hand is necessary. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.